How's it going, everyone? I want to look at a stock called Path. I think this one is trending up. I think this is looking like an early trend idea where you can make massive money if you position yourself correctly. And if you're looking at this chart right now, I'd be looking to buy every dip on this one due to I think this is getting in early, like I said. And this is a weekly candle, so these are strong candles where, this shows lots of relevance. And basically what I'm seeing is, and like I said, I'm kind of updating my system here and there. um, I like to switch from daily to weekly. If you're looking at the weekly candle, it's going to give you a really, really strong signal. So looking at this weekly candle, when you start to see the EMAs crossing, right, that means your EMA 20 wants to be that bottom band. That means you're starting an uptrend, and that's going to act as support. So I see this engulfing candle right here at 1122. Big, massive candle went up 15%, changing the tide of the trend. And all throughout here, we were a downtrend. The EMA 20 was the top, and you could see we were just slowly drifting. And then this right here, the way back here, was an uptrend. And how do you get in on these early? Well, if you look, same pattern here. Big engulfing candle, making the EMAs cross over. The EMA 20 starts to become bottom support. And right in here, you get in on the EMA 5, 10, and the 20, as this right here is your loading zone. This right here is where you get in on an early trend idea. So right here, you start to say, okay, it's starting to form an uptrend. And then look at this massive move that it has done from this entry here as you get in early. This is the kind of moves you can get if you get in early. 62% gain in a matter of 1 month time frame. Not too bad for a bigger cap stock. Well, this is the same pattern. Have you noticed right in here? You got this big engulfing candle, and then you're coming back down to this EMA 5, 10, and the 20. Well, to a T, we're pumping right at this EMA 5, right? It hits the 5 and it bounces. So it makes, it's very nice to see, like, this is a very crucial area of support. So I would say, we got this engulfing candle. We're 2 candles above the EMA 20. The EMA 20, the 10 is trying to cross the 20. So if you guys know about the crosses, that is a very bullish pattern. And so we get something like this is your demand zone right in here. So I would suspect, if we go half this candle, which it kind of did, from this bullish engulfing candle that engulfed plenty of these candles over here, and even this one big rip right here, this is looking very bullish. So what I would like to see is, so the weekly candle looks definitely uptrending, and you can also see the daily is uptrending too. Look at all throughout here, we've just been going up and down, and so it just takes longer for the weekly to show a stronger uptrend. But you can see right here on the EMA 20, you have bounce. So from this lows to this high, you're already up 6%, which is actually quite amazing. Like, this is actually quite good. And then on the 15-minute, you can see how you're above this EMA 20. So you like everything's kind of in lining to what I would like to see. So this is actually super, super nice. I think Path can make a newer high. I really think this can go way up here. Obviously we had this big red candle here. Can it recover all this within time? Yes. Within a month or two, or even a couple weeks. Yes, it absolutely can. And from this high, that would be a 40% gain from this entry that I'd be looking at, that I looked at. So this, I was telling people in the chat, in the Discord, I say Path is looking very bullish. I really like this. This is an early trend idea where it's bottomed out and you're starting to see price action go in your favor. So definitely watch this stock here, but also to keep in mind that, so on the last uptrend, this lasted from 11/03/2023 to around 4. So they can last very long. So 11 to April, that's, about 5 months of this uptrend lasting. But when you start to see this kind of pattern where it had this big move up, which you get in early on this early trend, then if you want to play it again, you see, like, you can play it on this 20 and still make massive gains, right? But if you only want to play it 1 or 2 times, when it starts bouncing it, hitting this 20 a lot of times, you can see this is trying to break this EMA 20 and form a downtrend. And you can see how the EMA 5 crossed the 10 right here on this candle. So it should worry you that, okay, this probably is not looking as good. And so we start bouncing, going down. So you would definitely get out in this area here, and you still would have an amazing entry. I mean, from this low to this high is another 15% gain. I always say take those 5 to 10% winners, and then today would have easily gave you a nice win here from this low here. This is already up almost 7% from just using this basic strategy on how to get in the trend early. What I would like to do is trail and stop it. I'm going to buy every dip of path that gets around these EMAs. I think this is an early trend. I think it's a beaten down stock. If you look at the analysis, we have a strong hold rating with buys and strong buys. So, and if you look at the news, I don't see anything like, really bad, right? Obviously, they can do bad news, create bad articles to make the price go down. But I think this is a very good thing. If you guys have been watching my videos a lot, I'm really liking this weekly candle. I'm going to be more pickier. I'm going to, really look at, okay, what's the trend doing and all that. And I really think with this setup here, you can really find nice early trends and then strong trends, so where you don't have to worry about, the trend is definitely your friend on these, and especially with bigger cap stocks, they tend to go up over time. So if you guys do want to join the premium Discord, this is your chance to do it. If you want to do it, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page, and if you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit day trade alerts. You'll get access to swing trades and day trades of my highest value probability setups of getting in things early, like path. Right here, if you're watching this video, I do like path, but have your chart set up. I have my education videos where you can get your chart set up like this, and you can see why this is a very bullish pattern. So if you looked at your chart and you see price coming near these levels, this is a very nice area to start buying. So definitely get that. And like I said, I'll post, the swing trading education has my how to set up my chart video. But if you want to join, you can hit day trade alerts or hit server shop. You can read about the two memberships. You can just do swing trading plus or day swing trading plus, whatever's up to you. Swing trading is just $6. If you want day trades and swing trades, it's only another $6 for $12 a month. And if you subscribe on your computer, it is best because you avoid the iOS fee. I just want to talk about this because I got really excited about this. I think this is a very nice stock right here. You start to see a dip, and it's just a very, awesome buy opportunity. You won't see this much where look how long you had to wait. For this downtrend lasted from 405 till starting to make an uptrend at 1122. So that was around a 7-month downtrend, and then we're finally getting alerted for my system to get in on this play, because now we're finally getting where the algos want this to pump higher, and so now the trend is your friend, and you will see how the EMA's crossed here. So this is a very nice. I am definitely buying all these dips around the 1380 to the 1340 mark. So about 40-cent buffer in there. I'm buying all those dips. So I definitely see this going up more. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to join the Discords, get high probability setups, I would love to have you. I will keep updating my education vault, where the more you guys watch these videos, this is really what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to find the safest ways to swing trade, safest ways to day trade. I have a very nice intraday day trading strategy that really catches precise moves, and then this swing trading strategy I think is the best. You're using really strong candles like a weekly, and then you can see how in time it pays in your favor to hold these. So I hope you guys like this video. Just today alone, from my entry here, with the system, you would make over 6%, and so bigger counts, that's really nice. Whereas if you do riskier stocks, you can lose it all. So hope you guys like this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment. I'll be in the Discord if you need anything. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.